Merry Christmas to everybody in America. If you can hear me, Merry Christmas. I walked the wrong direction for 45 minutes because in the center of Moscow, the GPS is turned off so that the enemy can't geolocate positions here. So I was so worried I wouldn't make it to church, and I made it here just in time. How beautiful is this? This is a Christmas miracle. Literally. Here I am in Moscow, Russia on Christmas. Literally been dreaming about this since I was 12. Years old, been dreaming about this, and here I am. I've never been happier in life than I am here in Russia. On Christmas, crying like a child because I'm just so freaking happy. Merry Christmas, everybody, from Moscow, Russia.